Istanbul-Style Borlotti bean salad. Grate the onion, garlic and halved tomatoes onto separate plates. Add the sunflower oil to a wide, shallow saucepan. Sauté the grated onion until it becomes golden. Then add the grated garlic, the whole peppers without slicing, the grated tomatoes and borlotti beans. Boil the mixture for 2 minutes more, then add the hot water, sugar and salt and cover with the lid. Cook on low heat for about 30 minutes until the mixture browns slightly and the juices have been reduced. Then remove from the heat and serve warm if possible.